Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all having a wonderful time. I hope you all had a profitable week. Last week I was not trading too much. I just had like 2 trading days. I was trading on Monday and I was trading on Wednesday, because on Tuesday I picked up my brother from the airport. I didn't saw him for like 7 years or something. So yeah, on Tuesday I picked him up from the airport. We went out to dinner, and then he was a little bit tired from the flight and stuff, so he was chilling. On Wednesday I was working, made some trades. I was trading on 3 different accounts. So today I'm going to show you exactly what was happening. This week I was able to make around $290,000. And on Wednesday was crazy. I mean, I was trading on my bigger account where I use smaller risk. Then I was trading on my smaller account where I'm using a little bit more risk. And then I was trading on the FTMO challenge as well for the course update, because as you know, I'm working on the $25,000 challenge right now to record every trade for my students and then to put it inside the masterclass so they can see how to pass these challenges and become funded finally. So this is what I did. I was focused on the video on the $25,000 challenge, so this was my main focus. And the funny thing is, like, I was trading 3 accounts at the same time, but managing them manually. So it was crazy, because on the FTMO challenge account I was able to make around 2% profit with a 0.5% risk, and I think I took 2 trades or something like that. And yeah, I took 2 trades, made 2% profit, and just used 0.5% risk. On my smaller account where I use higher risk, I was able to bank around it was 7%, I think, on Wednesday, 7%. And on the bigger account where I use smaller risk, I was minus 14,000. I mean, that was funny. I mean, I made on the one account I made profit, on the other account I made a small profit, which is like a 7% risk, 5% risk and 7% gain is not that big, you know. And on the bigger account I was not even able to make profit, which shows that in day trading, which is important, guys, in day trading timing is super important. And that's why it's so stupid to try to take signals from other traders. I mean, you really need to get the skill set down and do it on your own, because if you just have like a small time difference, it could be good or bad for you, you know. I mean, timing is very important, especially if you day trade, if you take quick trading decisions, and yeah, if you're in and out pretty quick, it's better to do it on your own and don't follow signal providers. I mean, most of them are not good anyways. They're just there to lose your money, so be very careful. I mean, I share all my trading entries and exits with my students, but I always tell them, like, signals are not the way how you can become an independent and consistent trader. Because just imagine you find a guy who gives you good signals. What if he stops? What do you do then? You go back living your regular life, like, I mean, it doesn't make sense. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, very important for you guys to get the skill set down and do it on your own. Very important. Next thing I want to talk about is the April's challenge, guys. The $100 flipping challenge. We are still running the $100 flipping challenge. That means you can still participate in that challenge. I think I had one guy already who doubled his account. Or it was a girl, I think. Yeah, one of our traders already nearly doubled his account. So yeah, you can still participate, guys. All you need to do is put $100 into your account and then try to flip it as crazy as possible. The winner gets $1,000, second place gets $600, and third place gets $400. So yeah, you can win some money and yeah, enjoy the ride and flip this thing like crazy. I put the link down below from the broker that I use, where you can use the 1 to 500 leverage. And yeah, Hankotrade, super broker, guys. I'm using it for a couple of weeks now, and they're pretty solid. The deposits and the withdrawals, they go super quick. They use cryptocurrencies and stuff. And yeah, if you have never used cryptos, no problem. I will put a link down below as well, where you can see how you can deposit money into your Hankotrade account. And yeah, super easy, super quick, and they're pretty solid. So yeah, good luck for the challenge, guys, and your results, please send them to me in Telegram. You can find the link down below. Drop them privately in my Telegram tell me that it's for the $100 challenge, so I know, because I put all of the results in one channel so I can filter the best one out later on. So yeah, that being said, let's get into the charts. Let's talk about Wednesday's trading. All right, team, let's get straight into the charts. All right, so we have Wednesday trading in here. You see that big down move in here. I was looking to find a nice entry on Wednesday on this movement, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we did in a second. But let me show you the FTMO challenge account real quick. This is a $25,000 challenge. As you can see, 70% hit rate so far with a 1 to 1.94 risk reward. Start with 270, 630, 420 and 500, 4 trading days, and I'm nearly done with the challenge. Just around $670 left to pass it, and I'm sure next week I'm going to hit the target, and then I'm going to upload all the trades inside the masterclass so you can see all the trades, how I'm managing them live and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty good stuff. And all right, so Wednesday, guys. Well, Wednesday, first of all, Wednesday started in here, right? So we had liquidity sitting over here. It was Friday's low in here. Then from the week before that, or even more than that, this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday. We had a couple of lows in here where probably some liquidity sitting, and this one over here, this area in here, I found pretty interesting because we had like this move to the downside before the market really started to move with a strong move with a lot of momentum, as you can see. So this zone was very interesting for me. So yeah, I was watching it just drop and drop and drop, and it didn't stop. I mean, I expected that it will drop, but I thought like maybe we can get like a nice reversal to ride this thing to the upside again, just to move with the flow. I mean, it's falling down and it comes back and it's falling down, and I was really looking to get a reversal on a smaller time frame to ride this thing to the upside and get a small pullback move, because I didn't want to chase the price because it was just dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. So I waited for a signal that wants to reverse, go to the upside. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame, that's better. So what was happening in here, guys? Well, this is when the New York session started, right? Around 8:30 New York time. So I was watching the chart and I expected the market to get below that, and then I wanted to see like a reversal, but it kept dropping and dropping and dropping. And in here I was like, okay, now it starts to give me signs of a reversal. You see, we broke the structure in here. Then the market came back, so I tried it. This was my first entry, right? Came back for a nice double bottom, and this was the moment where market, yeah, when we went to the next high, when we grabbed the liquidity above in here, I was so sure that this one will come down to slash through this double bottom. But I was managing 3 accounts at the same time, so I was managing it pretty nice on the FTMO account. But on my other account, on my higher risk account, I was managing it kind of the same way, but it was going too fast. So on the third account, I couldn't manage it that well. So on the big account, I got stopped out in here, took that loss. On the others, I was loading it up in this area, right? So it came a little bit steeper inside. So I loaded up in here, and when the market took off and came back, I was closing the position with the worst entry around break even, and then I moved my stop like this. So I had my stop like this on my FTMO account, and my entry was somewhere within this area in here. So I gave it a little bit air to breathe because I expected the market to grab this liquidity. So anyways, let's keep it like that. Okay, so this first call got stopped out, but later on, when we slashed through this double bottom, I saw that the price is not really moving like down, so they have absorbed all the sellers that wanted to get in here, and they bought from them. And then you see the market made a really nice push. I got in with an aggressive entry, but you could have entered after this push on the pullback. You could have found a nice entry in here, and yeah, I pretty much took my first profits around this high. So, and not my first profit, I closed everything in here because I was watching, like, this is 1 hour. I was watching it like 2 hours before I made my move. I was waiting 2 hours for my first entry, and I was like, okay, first entry didn't work out. Then the third one worked out a little bit, made a nice profit in here. I closed my FUMO account with like 2% profit with 0.5% risk, which is pretty nice. So yeah, I made 4 times my risk on this account, and yeah, I was pretty much happy for the day. And I mean, as you can see, after we hit the high in here and I closed everything out, market came back for another grab of liquidity below this low. Then it was taking off some more, getting above, hitting my initial target. I mean, but look at this fuckery in here. I mean, like, up and down and up and down. I mean, this equal highs in here easy got broken, and yeah, market was going crazy. Then it came back again to stop everybody out. Like, look at this. This was not easy to trade, and Wednesday was not the easiest day to trade. But yeah, all I was waiting for is kind of a sign of a reversal to get a nice pullback in here, to get back into this last push to the upside before we had that huge drop. So I targeted these areas, but I was waiting super long and I was super hungry. So yeah, I stopped in here, and it was the right decision. I was lucky that day, made a little profit, which was okay. Yeah, finished the week with just 2 trading days, but made some good money. I mean, I was spending time with my brother and stuff, so I was not super focused on trading that week. But it worked out pretty well. 290 grand. Can't complain, guys. Was alright. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, guys, if you're looking for mentoring, just drop me a private message in Telegram. When I have time, I will answer you and give you my advice and help you get on top of the game. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and join my free Telegram channel. This is where I keep you updated about my students' results, about my results. Sometimes I'm sharing trading ideas that you can participate in, and share some more good stuff like music and motivating stuff. And yeah, join. Anyways, guys, wish you all the best and see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon.